Go.
Okay, so my glacé is going. I just added more milk and butter to make it a bit more creamy. I'm gonna add just a bit more cornstarch to thicken it up some more. I'm gonna make more cornstarch slurry. Make sure there's no lumps. I'm not gonna add this all, just like a tablespoon, I guess. Maybe 1.5. Oh, this is about 1.5. Okay. If it thickens up a bit, if it makes little gravy pocket things, just whisk it in some more. Always taste for seasoning. You could use some pepper, in my opinion. Always season to preference. If you don't like pepper, don't add pepper. If you do like pepper, add extra pepper. Cooking is all about. I mean, you want your food to taste good to you, so don't add as much or as little as I'm putting. Feel free to add more. I'm also going to add a bit of salt. I could use that. This is about, I'm going to let it go for like another minute. And then I'm going to add back the chicken in. So this is kind of like a gravy glacé. You know. Make sure there's no lumps. The little things you're seeing is shallots. Okay, I'm gonna add my chicken back in. Then I'm just gonna let my chicken cook in there for a bit. Add back in the juice from the chicken. That from your chicken when it was resting. That will help the flavor. And this will cook more in the sauce, so just be prepared. Make sure you don't fully cook it, just leave it a bit undone so you can finish it off in the sauce. And this is when it's going to absorb all the flavor of the sauce, and they're going to meet, and they're going to introduce, and they're going to get married. I'm going to introduce the sauce and the chicken, and then they're going to get married, and they might have a few kids, and they're going to settle in a nice retirement home in Southern California. And yeah, it's the story of the chicken. Spoon it over, give them some time to meet. Don't rush it, don't force it upon them. Play matchmaker, but don't play control freak, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna let this go for about maybe 2 more minutes. I think they're at the stage now where they're well met, and the male chicken is getting ready to ask the woman chicken to marry him. Or they're two males or two women. This is 2019. Okay. Now let their other sides meet, because we don't know if their other sides like each other, so we'll see. So it seems like they do like each other. Okay. Now they've been married. We're going to retire them in somewhere in Southern California, known as the plate.